survived my bend test, and 3 of which snapped in half like very expensive crackers. Let's see how the S7 Edge holds up. Bending from the back holds up pretty well. When I flip it around and press on the screen though, you can see the back panel lift up just slightly from the frame. Once that seal is broken on the back cover, it is definitely not water resistant anymore. But the phone itself does not break no matter how I bend it. It is a solid beast of a device. So if you're a heavyset, skinny jean wearing individual, I would not recommend putting this phone in the back pocket of your skinny jeans. It would compromise that water resistant seal. But other than that,
it creates, but I'm not sure. It freaks me out a little bit.
And have some fun. I mean, obviously, what happened with my Xperia M5 is that that phone actually got fried up because you know, the water actually got inside, even though that phone was waterproof. But I'm pretty sure that Samsung made this phone really waterproof, because we are talking about S7, you know, not any mid-range phone. So it's now in water, of course, and it's completely underwater. So I'm just 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and done. So 5 minutes. It's actually more than 5 minutes, but let's take a look at the phone, and I'm just gonna move this tub of water to the side. I mean, obviously I do have some other tech products lying around here, so I can't just play with this water, so I have to be very careful. Okay.
So literally every single Galaxy got a piece of the action. Does the last one still work? It didn't penetrate it completely, but it is damaged, and I can't seem to get it to work. Oh shoot, it's catching fire. All right, so our Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge is about to explode. It's definitely smoking. The battery has been pierced, so we definitely got a lot of. All right, so it's an absolute battlefield out here. Phones everywhere. But the Galaxy S7 is still standing. Man, what an amazing phone.
Because this is how we do it here. We don't do any minor knife scratch test. Okay, so far so good. I like it. Let's go ahead and try this side, because the side always gets you. Oh yeah. Whew. That was pretty crazy right there. I want to show you. Yeah, so visible markings, permanent. Okay, I think that's enough for the knife. Let's move on to what we're waiting for. Again, everything is still, of course, fully functional. It's going to be working. It's going to be flawless. Now, I'm going to do in a similar fashion as I did with the S6 Edge. So I'm going to just drop it. It's a 2.5 pounds, just to see, because I remember it survived those little like 1-inch, 2-inch drops, just to see, because I did this before. So, okay. So just testing it out. Yeah, that's kind of normal, because that's what happened last time. Okay. So now we're going to go ahead and do a little more powerful hits. Okay. So let's see, does this thing... Oh, a little warm to the touch. I like the design. A little bit of a funky smell, but I think it's still working, so that's the issue here. And you can see, ever since I did the hammer test on the S6 Edge, Samsung has really been stepping up their game. It's taking me numerous
Check it out, guys, it's completely destroyed. I'm gonna take this off. The phone is completely destroyed. You can see all the screen shattered. It looks like it's about to pop, or the battery just like got inflated or something. The screen is just about to fall off. You can see from here the aluminum frame took the hit here. It actually really protected the phone, but you can see here a big crack there.
And the drop was not kind to the S7. Well, the front and back Gorilla Glass, as you can tell, is just completely shattered. And it looks like the metal frame took a lot of the impact and protected the actual phone, but man, that screen is really damaged. Surprisingly, everything else seems to work pretty well. The phone can power on and it will vibrate, and the speaker and camera both still work. So really,